Hey there, welcome to Broadcast to Post. I'm Jeff Sengpeel, CTO at Keycode Media. This is the show where we interview leaders and experts in the AV, broadcast, and post-production spaces. We're giving you the inside tips to grow your media workflows and business today.
Hello, my name is Tyler Purcell. Welcome to another episode of Broadcast to Post. Today, we're talking about Sherpa, which is a relatively new product from Telestream. The concept of Sherpa is really cool. It's a browser-based live stream platform, and the idea is that think of it as a tool that enables a client to be able to manage their live stream in a way that is a little more professional than, say, YouTube. Where platforms like YouTube have reach, Sherpa is all about control. So why would you use Sherpa from the perspective of a company? Well, let's start with the high-quality 4K streams with adaptive bitrate. These can be embedded into third-party sites, which is pretty cool. They can go up to 4K, but start at 1080-60. Registration is simple, and its organizer adds it to any calendar like Apple, Google, or Outlook. Sherpa provides full data on all actions and activities on a per-user basis, including everything from player resolution to comments to poll responses. Breakout rooms allow for multiple groups of viewers to join independent video calls and discuss amongst themselves to bolster their understanding of topics discussed in the live streams. Checkpoints can be inserted mid-stream to monitor and even enforce engagement. Sherpa's Q&A functionality allows for a separate monitor to review, replace, and add audience questions before they are put in front of the presenter. In the slide mode, the presenter can actually update slides as they're presenting, and the viewer can turn them on and off. Resources in player, such as a PDF or an image, all lead back to the brand without interrupting the stream, meaning that someone watching the stream can simply click them on or off and click on a link as the stream is happening to go to a different website. Another great feature is the forensic watermarks. The forensic watermark feature allows you to trace any reposted media to precisely who released it. Sherpa allows for custom branding on your entire site. Everything from font colors to URLs to diving deep into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Microsites within Sherpa allow you to segment your content into separate sites with independent branding for each site. This all goes back to control. Sherpa provides control for every aspect of the viewing experience. Everything from branding to polling to analytics to even the content URL itself can be entirely customized. So what are some of the capabilities of Sherpa On Demand? Well, from mid-video check-ins to polling to time resource presentation, Sherpa hosts on-demand video content with a full complement of engagement features. And the great thing about this on-demand content is that you can present pre-developed content as virtual live streams as well. Sherpa also supports time-delayed rebroadcasts of live shows for viewing in alternate time zones. Sherpa also allows the utilization of smart playlists that are organized with meta tagging. This can be useful for creators who desire a course catalog for their interface. Once again, Sherpa allows truly in-depth control over every detail of the box that holds your content. From the color of the web page banner, to the timing of link delivery, to email registration, to fully traceable forensic watermarking, Sherpa does it all. For more information about Sherpa, please contact us here at Keycode Media.
Thanks for watching Broadcast to Post. Please make sure to subscribe to the podcast to receive future episodes. Follow Keycode Media on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram to receive news on additional AV, broadcast, and post-production technology content. See you next time, folks.